Hello, my name is Patrick and I'm a NinjaTrader customer support representative. I'd like to demonstrate how to connect to the market replay connection and how to work with the market replay data. If you've downloaded market replay data or you've recorded market replay data, it's available to play back when you connect to the market replay connection in NinjaTrader by going to the File menu, selecting Connect, and the market replay connection. Once you've connected to the market replay connection in NinjaTrader, you will see the connection displayed as Connected Replay in the bottom left-hand corner of the NinjaTrader Control Center. Now that we are connected to the market replay connection, you will notice a new window has appeared. This is the Replay Control window. Through the settings and options within this window, you will control the replay data that is displayed. The Replay Control window is titled Replay, but you will also notice that the following information is displayed. The state of the market replay, such as paused or the speed at which it's being played, the date that is being played, and the time. In this case, we are paused on June 17th at 10 p.m. Within the Replay Control window are several controls that allow you to change the date range being replayed, the state of the replay, which includes play, pause, and fast forward, and the slide control, which allows you to move the replay to a new date and time within the date range defined by the From and To fields. There are also two additional options that are not displayed within the Replay Control window. These are accessed when you right-click in the Replay Control window. You will notice the Available Data and Go To options available. The key to the Replay Control is the date range, which is defined by the From and the To fields. To define a From date, we must left-click on the small calendar to open the date selection. Then select our date to begin the replay data from. The same method is used for the To date. We go to the small calendar window and select the End date for our replay data. The date range not only defines the begin and end dates of your replay, but it also defines what data is viewed when opening the Available Data window by right-clicking in the Replay Control window and selecting the Available Data option. The Available Data window will display the data that is available to replay within the date range that you have defined in the From and To fields of the Replay Control window. The columns from left to right are the Instrument column, the Level 1 Begin, the Level 1 End, the Level 2 Begin, and the Level 2 End. Each column except for the Instrument column will display a date that represents the earliest date and time the data is available for the instrument, or the latest date and time the data is available for the instrument. You can also view in greater detail exactly which dates are available to replay for the instrument by left-clicking on the Expand button listed to the left of the instrument. Once this section is expanded, you will see in greater detail how many days are available and exactly which days are available, as well as the begin and end times for those dates. This is extremely helpful when replaying data, as you now know what dates you have data for. Now I know that I have from June 17th at 10 p.m. to June 18th at 9:59 p.m. available to replay for the ES0912 instrument, and then I have Level 2 data for these dates as well. I will now close the Available Data window by selecting Close. We can now do one of two things. We can use the From field to specify a specific date to begin our replay within the available data we know that we have. We can also use the Go To option by right-clicking in our Replay Control window and selecting Go To. With the Go To window, I can specify not only a date, but a time to start the replay. This is a very handy tool for getting to a specific time that you would like to replay. I'm going to go ahead and change to June 18th at 10 a.m. Once you've changed the date and time to the values you wish, press OK. You will notice that the slide control has now moved to the date and time on the Replay Control window, which is reflected at the top of the Replay Control window as well. As we can see, we are paused on June 18th at 10 a.m. If I truly have the data available, I will be able to see the prices in the Orders tab of the Control Center, and when I press play on the Replay Control window, I'll begin to see these prices move. Now I'll open a chart for the ES0912 instrument by going to the File menu and selecting New, and then Chart. The Data Series window will appear. Now it is important, if you are downloading replay data and replaying that data, you must select the correct contract if it is a future, to properly see this data on the chart. I will select the ES0912, left click New, and then I can make any changes I wish to the price data here. Once I've completed those changes, I'll left click OK. Once the chart is loaded, I'll bring it into view. Now I should see the chart data and see the last price moving on the chart. I can increase the speed at which this data is played by pressing the fast forward button. As you can see here, we are at 1x, which is 1 times the current speed. So this is normal speed. When we left click once on the fast forward button, it will increase to 2 times the normal speed. We can also increase this all the way to 500 times the normal speed. If at any time during the market replay we wish to pause, we can simply left click the pause button, and this will pause the current state of the market replay. If we wish to return to our normal speed of 1x, we just left click the play button at any time. Now the slide control will also allow me to move to another time within my date range very quickly. If I left click and hold and drag my slider, I can now change the time. I will leave it at 2:11:45 p.m. and release the left click on the mouse. The data will load and begin playing. If I hold down the middle mouse button over the latest bar, I can see that in fact this bar will close at 2:12. And we are currently at 2:11 as displayed on our replay control window. Now any orders that are placed while connected to the market replay connection are submitted to the Replay 101 account in NinjaTrader. You can see this when you enable a chart trader on your chart by left clicking on the chart trader option at the top of the chart. And then when you go to the chart trader on the right, you will notice that the account is grayed out and the Replay 101 account is selected. I cannot change this to any other account. So all of the orders that I place here while connected to the market replay connection are sent to the Replay 101 account. Thank you for letting me provide you with this brief tutorial, and happy trading from all of us here at NinjaTrader.